Hello my dear friends, this is Kumar Digvijay who is going to handle your history optional topic for the upcoming OPSC mains exam. So before going to start your this particular history, I want to give you some of the important information that you should know before starting the history. So here actually if you see lots of people are also watching from who is aspiring for the SSC or any kind of OSSC exam. This information is not valid for the banking students because for banking there is no history or any kind of GS. So for SSC student who are preparing for SSC, they can also see these things because if you see in this particular history syllabus, or if you see in my this particular course what is given by your Banik Smart class, here I am not going to give you any kind of note. Okay, so I am not going to give you any kind of note, but I will discuss the each and every aspect of history. If any student who is preparing for OPSC prelims, OPSC mains or SSC, OSSC, ASO, any kind of railway exam, it is very much helpful for you if you will see this video, because here I am going to give you as much as information which is possible in my part. Now I am going to tell you the entire syllabus of history so that it will be easy for you to understand that how I am going to conduct the class. Okay, so if you will see in your history, there are around 3 parts. The first one is the ancient India, the second one is the medieval India, and the last one is yours modern India. Modern India. Another part is there which is known as, I should change the color so that it will be easy for you, which is, you can say, your world history. But for our OPSC perspective and for SSC perspective, this world history is not required. So for us, we are going to focus on ancient India, medieval India and modern India. Whatever may be the exam, whether it is your SSC exam, whether it is your OPSC exam, whether it is your even UPSC exam, or you can say railway or ASO, whatever the exam, the maximum number of question what is surveyed by in whatever the exam may be, if you will see, the more number of question will come from modern India itself. Okay, that I cannot, you can't say that sir you are telling that questions are coming from modern India means the questions are not coming from ancient and medieval. No, it's not like that. The questions are also coming from ancient and medieval India, but the major portion of questions which constitutes from modern India. What I will do in this OPSC mains your course now here, I will do that I will start from modern India, because modern India does not have any relation with medieval and ancient. Some of the medieval portions are there present in modern India, that I will explain to you while I will discuss modern India. But I will start from modern India, even I don't know how much time it will take, because here you are not going to get any kind of notes, because guys this is OPSC mains exam. I hope that the students who qualified the prelims exam already, they are having the notes, and for the SSC and ASO student, guys don't panic for that, because for ASO you are going to get a history class, but here you can easily understand each and every aspect of history. Maybe you are not going to get any kind of notes, but here I will describe you history in a very realistic manner. जैसे कि मतलब बोला जाता है ना, हिस्ट्री इज ए टॉपिक ऑफ लाइक प्रेम, प्रतारणा, प्रतिशोध, ये तीनटा जिनसर मिक्सिंग होची तमर कोन हिस्ट्री. तो सेथिपई द टॉपिक बहुत माने इंटरेस्टिंग हवा को जाउची. इट विल बी वेरी मच इंटरेस्टिंग द वे आई एम गोइंग टू टीच यू. सो इट इज माय फर्स्ट इंट्रोडक्शन क्लास. Today I am not going to tell you anything regarding history. I want to convey you that how I am going to approach in my forthcoming classes. So modern India आमे प्रथमे start करिबा. After initiating modern India, after finishing modern India, I will go to the ancient and medieval India. So the students who are preparing for ASO and SSC, you kindly don't think that sir you are going to teach for OS mains so that it is not useful for us. No my dear friends, it is a class with full of interesting issues, full of interesting stories. If you will want to enjoy this history, if you want to see your previous ancestors story in a beautiful manner, it is a proper platform for you. So kindly updated with our videos which is going to be posted by Banik Institute. So now I am going to tell you some of the important information with respect to history before initiation of the modern India. See, here I just kept some of I just made this particular PDF by taking the questions which came in the previous year OS mains exam. तो मेन्स एग्जाम को जदि तुम माने पिला मान देखिबो मेन्स रे पर्टिकुलरली अराउंड जदि तुम देखिबो हिस्ट्री क्वेश्चन अराउंड 130 120 प्लस रा आसे माने मार्क्स को जदि हमें देखिबा अराउंड 130 प्लस मार्क्स आर गिवन टू दिस पर्टिकुलर हिस्ट्री चैप्टर. सो 130 को जदि तुम डिवाइड करिबो 20 मार्क्स 7 पॉइंट हाफ 12 पॉइंट हाफ इट डिपेंड्स ऑन OPSC हाउ दे यूज्ड टू गिव द क्वेश्चन सेट्स. So I just want to show you some of the important questions so that you guys are going to know from which part the OPSC asked questions for mains perspective. See here, this is a 150 word question. I am not going to discuss any chapter today. In our forthcoming classes you are going to see the beautiful chapters. Assess the theoretical position of moderates and extremists. Here I am not going to tell you anything. See, I just want to give you I want to show you a overview that from which part the number of questions are more. Okay, so here if you will see theoretical moderates and extremists, that means it is modern India. See here, B.R. Ambedkar, same, modern India. Exam in theory, Indian National Congress, modern India. Economic policy of Indian handicrafts, modern India. Evaluate the role of Mahatma Jyotirao Phule, modern India. See, all the 5 important questions they asked from modern India. I am not simply saying that we are माने मु एमती खाली किछि गोटे न देखि कि तुमको कहूनी जे आमे आरंभ करिबा मॉडर्न इंडिया रु. Reasons are there. This is the reason why I am trying to initiate fast modern India. Because जेकोसी एग्जाम भी हो पिला माने तमरो प्रथमे मॉडर्न इंडिया रु से क्वेश्चन बेसी माने अराइज करि थांती हैला. तो नेक्स्ट तमे देखिबो सभा एगुड़ा सब 20 वर्ड्स आसीगला. तो डिस्कस द उत्कल देख ओडिशा हिस्ट्री कथा जेतेला हमें कहूछु सेति पई जमा वरीड होनी तापई मु गोटे सेपरेट वीडियो आनिबी. ओडिशा हिस्ट्री पई नो नीड टू बी पैनिक, जस्ट स्टे कनेक्टेड विथ आवर वीडियोस. आई विल टेल यू रिगार्डिंग ओडिशा हिस्ट्री. सो नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू डिस्कस रिगार्डिंग मॉडर्न इंडिया, एंशिएंट, मेडिएवल. सी हियर, व्हेन आई एम टॉकिंग रिगार्डिंग द 20 वर्ड्स क्वेश्चन, सभा समिति इट्स एंशिएंट इंडिया, प्रगणा नाडू हिंदू कोड बिल योर मॉडर्न इंडिया, सप्तांग एंशिएंट इंडिया, नगर स्टाइल इट इज योर आर्ट एंड कल्चर, योर श्री सैयद अहमद खान इट इज सोशियो रिलीजियस मूवमेंट फ्रॉम मॉडर्न इंडिया, भूदान मूवमेंट फ्रॉम मॉडर्न इंडिया. सो इफ यू विल सी अराउंड दिस 80 to 90 marks, around 70 plus marks are coming from modern India, and this is the set of your 2006 OS mains. Okay, so now we are going to see the next 2011, I think, yeah, 2011 OS mains question. Now see here, this is the question, first question. Assess the importance of Indian press. This is modern India. Explain the Raja Rammohn Rai. This is your modern India. Write essay on Bal Gangadhar Tilak. See, modern India. Examine the growth of nationalism. See, this is also modern India. Government of India Act 1935, modern India. No need to be panic. The people who already qualified prelims, I think you all guys know what I want to convey you here. Okay, आ जो माने नुआ अच्छा वरीड हुआनी मु धीरे धीरे करी गोटे गोटे क्लाइमैक्स सीन आडको तुमको नौछि. राइट अबाउट 20 वर्ड्स. देखो एठी प्रथमे लेखा हला 20 वर्ड्स रे इंडिका. दिस इज मॉडर्न इंडिया, सॉरी नॉट, दिस इज नॉट मॉडर्न इंडिया, दिस इज योर एंशिएंट. मोहनजोदारो एंशिएंट. नगर स्टाइल आर्ट एंड कल्चर. जेम्स प्रिंसेप मॉडर्न इंडिया. मानसबदारी सिस्टम योर मॉडर्न इंडिया. कोइरा सत्याग्रह, दयानंद सरस्वती, दीज आर ऑल अबाउट मॉडर्न इंडिया. सो मॉडर्न इंडिया रो तमे देखो सब सेट रे अराउंड तमरो 100 प्लस क्वेश्चंस पिला माने आछी. माने जानि परछो मॉडर्न इंडिया रो इंपोर्टेंस केते. व्हाई आई एम गिविंग, बिकॉज़ आई एम राइटिंग द एग्जाम, आई नो फ्रॉम व्हिच पार्ट दे आर गोइंग टू आस्क द क्वेश्चन. मो कथा बुझियला ना बुझियलानी. तो नेक्स्ट टाइम जिबा देखिबा. नेक्स्ट वी आर गोइंग टू सी हियर आंसर द सी ओडिशा हिस्ट्री पे ओरिड हबार किछि नाही मु अबिका ओडिशा हिस्ट्री को इंक्लूड करिया को चाहुनी जम्मा भी पिले व्यस्त हुअनी आई विल गिव यू प्रॉपर एक्सेस टू ओडिशा हिस्ट्री ओके सो नेक्स्ट टाइम देखिबा अबिका 2015 रो क्वेश्चन देखो एटी फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज रिगार्डिंग द गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया 1858 मॉडर्न इंडिया आसेस महात्मा गांधी मॉडर्न इंडिया नो नीड टू से एनीथिंग गांधी मीन्स मॉडर्न इंडिया ड्रेन ऑफ वेल्थ मॉडर्न इंडिया 1947 एक्ट मॉडर्न इंडिया फॉलोइंग टॉपिक्स योर सुभाष चंद्र बोस इंडिया फ्रीडम स्ट्रगल गोपबंधु दिस थिंग्स आई विल टेल यू ओके सो जत्ते भी तमे क्वेश्चन सब देखिबो मैक्सिमम नंबर ऑफ जिंस तमरो कोथुर अराइज होची मॉडर्न इंडिया रो तो सेथि पे जे कोनोसी एग्जाम्स तमे देखो माने ओपीएससी रो मेंस एग्जाम्स तमे जदी देखिबो जे कोनोसी पोर्शन तमे उठेइले द क्वेश्चंस दे विल मैक्सिमम नंबर ऑफ क्वेश्चंस दे विल आस्क फ्रॉम व्हिच पार्ट योर मॉडर्न इंडिया पार्ट ओके सो आज रो जो वीडियो टी मु तमको करिछि दिस वीडियो करिवार पछरे रीजन रहला तमु गोटे ओवरऑल व्यू मु पिला माने दबाको चाहूची आउ गोटे जिंस मु तमु कहया को चाहूची केमती हमर क्लास रो माने फॉर्मेट रहइबो see one thing from the next class itself I will start your modern India chapter in which I am going to complete your Indian national movement after every video I will give you one or two important question you have to give me the answer in my Facebook or in Bhanik website because if there is no interaction it is not possible see it's not a classroom that I will ask you question you will give me answer no because we need a win-win approach I should get something from you you should get something from me okay after my every video I will give you 1 to 2 questions you just keep your answer whether in pen and paper or you can directly put your answer in the comment box the answer you can put either in Banik Smart Class website or you can put in the Facebook Kumar Digvijay Satpathy my Facebook site okay without writing the answer it is not possible for you my dear friends to qualify the exam and trust me I will make you master in history because for the last 2 years I am teaching here for the particularly the OS aspirant to history and economics I know how they used to ask the question okay so kindly be in touch kindly see all the videos whatever the in every class I will give you one question or two question still now I did not decide anything so it depends upon the class so it is my first video today I want to tell you the entire thing but I need proper like even you can dislike my video you should say why you dislike the video you should subscribe the Banik channel and because these things we need some encouragement from your side if you are not going to encourage us it is not possible for us to work on such a motivational way okay we are not asking anything we are asking simple a like and a subscription okay even you can dislike the video it's not a big thing but you should mention why you dislike even if you want to improve from my side you can give me suggestions it's not a bad thing okay so this is for today I want to tell you I just wanted to talk with you regarding how we should go ahead after publishing of this particular video even from your side you can suggest me you can give me some proper ways so that I can even improve myself so my dear friends I hope that you guys got a good knowledge that how our classes are going to be because आजिर क्लास रे मु सेमती किछि पढेइनी जे किछि तो पढेइनी सेमिति किछि कोन I did not teach anything so today is the introduction class I hope that you will see the video you will like the video and after my second video you can give your beautiful suggestions so that I can improve from my side I hope that you are studying properly thank you bye bye